Jokanyo mopogore sekta mar somo orome kar chung'o bura mano ma South Mugirango machiwo puonj ne jopuonjre mag sekondar gi geto mar geng'o weche mag wang'o mwandu mag skunde ahinya to kuonde nindo e tam mar adek. Kane giloso skund sekondar ma yawuoyi man Nduru, jaluo kansela mbalambala ma Egerton Gire Isaac Kibwange ne okwayo jopuonje madongo mondo bag romo ma kinde ka kinde kod jopuonjre machiwo negi thuolo mar yango korgi pod nitiere pek kod ng'ur moro amora e kindgi. Ne gisingo nywando jolony kinde ka kinde mar yudo ka ginyalo konyo hinga e gigo maloro jopuonjre kinde ma gintiere skul kaka yo mar geng'o koko e kuonde somogo.
If the school administration listens and talks with the students, in most cases they will actually understand what the situation is and the limitations of what they are demanding vis-a-vis what is available. Yes. So for me, this communication and the discussion.
This is the right way to go. And the boys have been encouraged to a great extent. And we hope the professor will be coming here and again.
And we believe from this humble background, encouraging these kids, we can actually get many of them achieve their objectives. Because the problem with these rural setups is that we only bank on the people around us to hear. So in most cases, you'll be hearing of specific careers because that is what the kids are able to associate with.
Many of the old school boys, we look for them wherever they are so that they can come and also give something in terms of knowledge to the students. And when they see this is the person who was in this school, then they will feel that they will also be something else.